All right, the next thing you want to do is you want to actually save your scene, your level. Okay, so I've already done this. So when I did that, it creates a scene, a Unity icon, and that's my level 1. I just called it scene 1, or really level 1. And there's only one level in this game for my purposes. Okay, so I went down here, made a folder. I created the folder called scene, and then all I had to do was save scene. Okay, so when you do that, I think it's confusing. It was confusing for me in the beginning because I didn't realize that my project is different than the scene. As you're saving things, just because you didn't save your project, at least you saved your scene, and everything in that scene, if that you're working on, it's going to be saved. Because like when I think of your project, you could have multiple levels in your project. I guess that's the way Unity thinks about it. So that's how I just went ahead and file, save scene, and then it created that pop-up. So let's go ahead, save scene. Will it let me do it again? I don't know if it'll do it. Oh, it just went ahead and saved that. I guess I could save scene as. Okay, and then it has to be, okay, yeah, that's the thing what I wanted to cover. You have to save your levels or your scenes in your assets folder. It doesn't want you to save them in different spots. So I would type it in here. You can see the preview of scene 1, and then I would hit the save button. Okay, I'm going to cancel that. Okay, so that's how you save a scene in Unity.